Hello guys, welcome to the weekly forecast, and let's jump onto the Euro USD and see what all new opportunities do we have for the upcoming week. So as we have been following this daily time frame markups from the last few months now, as you can see, price has been bearish here after this change in structure. We had a pullback, taking out liquidity out of this trend line liquidity. Again, we had a fall. If I foresee some near future, if you see, we have been creating this trend line liquidity here as well. We have these one, two, three, four relative equal highs where the liquidity resides. So maybe in the May month, we might be able to see some reaction of this before we go down to target the lows again. But that's a very long term target. Jump onto the 4 hours and let's see what do we have. So previous week we were all bullish here and we were buying, and I forecasted that yeah, we are going above these highs, these two highs, and we had a break of structure last week. Now what I'm expecting is for the this upcoming week is let price come down, give you a corrective structure here, or let's play around here and then a push up again higher to target this high and maybe tap into this supply zone. So this is what I'm expecting on Euro USD for upcoming week, and this might happen on Monday and Tuesday because on Monday and Tuesday we don't have any economic events happening. We have bank holidays. So this technical thing can happen on Monday and Tuesday, and maybe in the beginning of Wednesday we might find ourselves in this area. So here what can happen if we reach here in midweek, we will see if we have something to sell from here to go down again, break this low, or to give us a corrective structure here and to target all this trend line liquidity residing above here and grab that all before we fall again, right? So these are the two three scenarios for Euro USD. Jumping on to the GBP USD, as you know, these two pairs are correlate have very strong correlation. So same thing here. First thing I'm expecting here, a push higher, and when market taps into the supply zone, we'll see what reaction we get. Simple correction, one more drop, and we look for buys. So I'll be ignoring any sell opportunities here, short term, but I'll be interested more in longs on EU and GU both. Jumping onto the AUD USD, same thing happening here. If I see this high has been taken, right? So there can be a bigger corrective structure here before a push again higher to target this high, right? It's not much clear here because we have this impulsive move, so a bigger corrective structure is needed before anything else. Jumping onto the main pair, gold. So we have been bearish from last 2 weeks. Finally, after this whole impulsive wave, parabolic wave, what I'm expecting is let price come little down at least. So around here, this is the first May, right? This candle is the opening of this month. Let me delete this. Yeah. So this area you see here, opening of the month. So I'm expecting with the market open, a corrective structure to the downside, and then I want to buy gold this week until and unless we don't get a closure on higher time frame below this previous weekly low. If we find any closure below this previous weekly low around 2280, below that any closure, you can look for sells for the whole week. But if this does not break, and with the corrective structure coming to this price around 2290, I will be looking for longs at least till first target will be 2330, then next target will be this 2350. It's a very strong target here, strong liquidity pool. So I'll be targeting 2330 and 2350 first, and everything goes well, I'll be targeting 2380 then. So I'll be bullish overall for this week. So this was the short and quick recap and the forecast for the upcoming week and new opportunities. Have a great one.